Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Xauusd and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is one of those rare days when I open the chart of 15 minutes or I start my video with the 15 minutes time frame. Because the trading opportunities on 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame are very less and the market is mostly flat, trading in a tight range, so it is difficult to understand the market's behavior on higher time frame. So we will be using the 15 minutes time frame today for better understanding. So at first, let's look at the market sentiment. Gold prices steady with US economy data on tap. Gold prices flat with focus on US economic data. Gold prices were flat on Thursday as investors turned their focus to US economy data that could offer additional insights into the timing of the Federal Reserve's potential interest rate cuts. Gold steady ahead of US economic data. So this is the overall market sentiment. Means market is waiting. And if you look at the economic calendar, you can see today we have initial jobless claims data coming up. Tomorrow, Michigan consumer sentiment. Both these events are not very important, like NFP or CPI. CPI is coming next week. Anyways, these data are not very important, like those data, like CPI and NFP. Okay, but as the market is trading in a tight range, market is in consolidation. So there is a good possibility that we may get to see some good volatility, unexpected volatility for 1 or 2 hours. So be careful, especially if you do not have much capital right now. If you're a beginner, observe the market to gain some experience, but out of thrill, please do not try to gamble with your hard-earned money. Now let's look at the trading opportunities. So you can see that I have drawn many lines. Okay, so let's understand one by one. So if market gets very volatile during the US session, then obviously none of these levels will work and you need to follow the trend of the market. If market falls, go with a sell. If market goes up sharply, go with a buy position, because these levels will not work. But before the US session, we can definitely expect the levels to work for us. So we are on the 15 minutes time frame. So how much we can expect? We can expect 30 to 40 pips. Why? Because the market is very slow, and in this market situation, okay, if you can score 30 to 40 pips also, then obviously it is good enough. You must be thinking right now, Avilash, okay, what sort of thing is this? Market is moving from 2308 to 2318. It's a 100 pips move. Market has gone down from 2320 to 2308. It's a 120 pips move, and you are telling us about only 30 to 40 pips. My dear friend, we need to be practical here. Okay, how many of us ride the trend from here to here or from here to here? Hardly our trades last for 1 to 2 candles, so we need to think practically, and also we need to think about our safety as well. Okay, because when we get a trending market, I always tell you guys that you should not set any TP. You should try to ride the trend of the market. But this is not a riders market. This is a day-to-day market, especially scalpers market. Okay, so the best selling opportunity on the chart of gold is around 2332 to 2330. The blue box that I have drawn here is the best resistance before the US session, where we can look for a sell. Why? Because this is the level from where market reversed previously. But the problem is that that level is far away. Then we also have another sell around, a sell level around 2326, the purple line here that I have drawn here. So if I use FIBO here, my dear friends, you can see market is more or less respecting our FIBO very well. So the next FIBO level is coming around 2326 level. Okay, so these are the two levels where we can expect some 30 to 40 reversal trades. But both the levels are a little bit far away and market is not very suitable right now. So we are also looking at the immediate resistance, which is around 2322. But the problem with the level of 2322 is that market has already tested the level many times, means liquidity is there. So whenever we see liquidity in the market, there's always a possibility of stop loss hunting. So before the US session, if you see market reversing also from 2322 area, okay, you can go for a sell, but be careful. Okay, be careful and do not place any trade without stop loss, because whenever we see liquidity building up, we always see stop loss hunting or liquidity grab. What happens is that market goes up, market after hunting all the stop losses, market goes down again. So my dear friend, be careful if you're planning to take a sell around this area, especially before the US session. So these are the three resistances on the chart of gold where we are looking for sell opportunities. As the market is choppy and sideways, so buy at resistance, sell at resistance, buy at support is the best trading strategy as of now. In this type of market situation where market is difficult to trade, we do not have a clear trend present, trading indicators like chart prime can be very useful for us. We have been talking about chart prime for a long time. And those who don't know about chart prime, my dear friends, chart prime is one of the most powerful custom indicator in the trading community right now. They have three powerful indicators: Market Oracle Pro, Market Dynamics, and Prime Oscillator. So this is the Market Oracle Pro that generates buy and sell signals on the chart that also tells you about the trend of the market. For example, you can see gold had buy signal here, gold had a sell signal here. And apart from Market Oracle Pro, the Prime Oscillator Pro also generates buy and sell signals. You must be knowing that in sideways market, choppy market, the oscillators, they work very nicely. So the signals from Prime Oscillator Pro can be very useful in a sideways market. But if you're not interested in signals and you are just trying to improve your analysis, then also chart prime can be very useful, because the Prime Oscillator Pro also marks the divergences for the overbought and oversold levels. The Market Dynamics Pro, okay, that helps you with the smart money concept. Okay, so this is the website of chart prime. You can just go to their tutorial space. They have many videos that explains how does the indicator work. Initially, you can just go with their premium monthly option and try it for 5 to 6 days. If you're not happy, then obviously you can ask for the refund. They also have a 7 days money back guarantee. But I'm pretty sure that if you follow proper risk management, you can make this money in just few days. So feel free to check out Chart Prime. The link is in the description. So now let's look at the support levels or where the buyers are present. Yesterday, we got to see a good bounce from our support of 2304. So before the US session, if market comes to 2304, we can expect a support again. But market has already tested 2304 once, so our eyes should be on 23002 2298, and then we have 2288 to 2290. We have already discussed in our previous videos why or how we have derived these levels. Okay, if you have not watched, then just let me go through quickly. We have mostly used FIBO here. You can see 2288 2290 because of FIBO 78.6% retracement level, and we are considering 2300 because it's a round number. Along with that, we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. So today, if market drops, we can look for a bounce around this area. After news also, if you see the market is going down and if the market is not very volatile, not crazily falling, then you can obviously expect a bounce or quick bounce of 50 to 60 pips around 2300 as well. So it all depends on the volatility, because at this moment chances of market coming to 2300 2290 are very less. So let's wait and watch. And if you're wondering about immediate support level, then obviously we do have some levels, but those are very risky. To find out those levels, okay, just go to 15 minutes time frame and follow the instructions here. You can clearly see I have zoomed in the chart, and I'm just drawing FIBO from here. Okay, I'm just drawing FIBO from here. So we have our FIBO first level, you can see around 2215. Okay, 2215, and then we have second FIBO around 2214. Okay, so if you want, then you can also look for a buy of around 20-25 pips around this area. Personally, I will not trade, because to be honest, I'm not a big fan of 50 minutes time frame, because high time frame high reliability, low time frame low reliability. But yes, you can look for some support around 2312 2310, which is FIBO 50, which is around FIBO 50 to 61.8%, and we also have some moving averages, not this level. So let's wait and watch. If market bounces, you can look for a 20-25 pips bounce around this area, but personally I'm not much convinced with the 50 minutes time frame, so I may avoid. Okay, so let's wait and watch. But otherwise, okay, if you're looking for only reliable levels, then obviously you should avoid this stuff and only focus on 2300, 2298 and 2288 area. Okay, and if you are a patient trader, then obviously you should wait for the market. Okay, okay, as we are already recording, my dear friends, so you can see that selling pressure is little high, so please be careful before placing any buy position. Okay, if you see the market is standing at 2310, 2312 with a big red candle, then obviously you should avoid. Common sense and trading goes side by side. Anyways, okay, let's focus on reliable levels. Okay, if market goes up, look for a sell around 2332, 2330 or 2326, 2322 area. 2322 is a less reliable level. On the other hand, we have a good buying around 2304 and 2300, 2290 area. Okay, let's wait and watch how does the market work. There is a high chance that throughout the week, okay, we may get to see a sideways market, choppy market. Let's wait and watch. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, and follow proper risk management.